Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Vertebrata. It is actually a subkingdom. I told you in the beginning, Animalia can be divided into two subkingdoms, invertebrates and vertebrates. So, vertebrates are those in which the notochord actually develops into a vertebral column as the organism becomes adult. These are the most advanced group of animals. They have true vertebral column. They have a strong endoskeleton, that is internal skeleton is present. Body is bilaterally symmetrical. They are triploblastic. They have true coelomic cavity. They have complex differentiation of body tissues. The tissues form the organs form the organ systems, and there are many systems in the body which coordinate with each other. They are further divided into 5 classes: Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves and Mammalia. So, we will do now these detailed features of these 5 classes. First is Pisces. It includes all the fish, alright. So, fish belongs to Pisces. These are aquatic animals. They are cold blooded organisms. Cold blooded means when the outside temperature is cold, their body inside temperature also goes down. They cannot keep their body warm. So, such organisms are called cold blooded organisms. Body is covered with scales or plates. Outside there are scales or plates which actually protects them from the water, because they are aquatic, they live in water. So, just to prevent them from the harmful effects of staying in water, the body is covered with scales or plates. The body is streamlined, the shape is streamlined, which helps in the easy movement through the water. They have a muscular tail which is used for movement. They breathe through gills. They do not have lungs, they breathe through gills. Then skeleton may be cartilaginous or bony. So, fish can be divided into 2 categories depending upon their skeleton. In some, the skeleton is made up of only cartilage, or it is made up of bones and bones only. They have 2-chambered heart, alright. So, unlike human, we have 4-chambered heart, they have 2-chambered heart. Then they reproduce by laying eggs. Example are all fish belong to this category: rohu, tuna, they all belong to the Pisces, alright. So, next class is the amphibians. They are also cold blooded organisms. During winters, they cannot keep their body warm. So, their body inside temperature also goes down. They can live both on land as well as in water. That is why they are called amphibians. So, just to complete their life cycle, they need both terrestrial and the aquatic life, alright. So, they can live on land, but for reproduction they have to go in the water, because they lay eggs and sperms in the water. So, their eggs are not covered with hard outer covering. So, reproduction occurs only in the water. That is why they need both the habitats to complete their life cycle. They have mucus glands on skin. So, their skin is slimy to touch. Then respiration is either by gills or the moist skins and by lungs. So, when they are inside the water, they breathe through either gills or the moist skin. When they are on the land, they breathe through lungs. Next, they possess a 3-chambered heart. Amphibians, they reproduce by laying eggs in water. So, frogs, toads, salamander, they all belong to this amphibian class.